Welcome back. Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis defying a subpoena from a state Senate committee today after she skipped a hearing on her prosecution of former President Donald Trump.
Willis is challenging the subpoena in court, but the hearing took place anyway. 11 Alive's Doug Richards was at the Capitol. Doug, how did things play out?
Well, you know, this investigation has been criticized as a partisan exercise, and all that conflict kind of came to a head today when Willis declined to appear in spite of having been served a subpoena.
Honorable Fani Willis, she has not appeared yet.
When the committee chairman called her name, Fani Willis did not respond.
I would ask the doorman, please check the hall to see if she has appeared.
Fani Willis was nowhere to be found, at the state capitol at least. Senators released an image of the subpoena they sent to Willis. Willis defied it, pending her legal challenge of whether this Senate committee has the power to compel her testimony in what Democrats call a partisan exercise.
What the other side is actually trying to do is just serve former President Trump, and that's what they're actually doing. We're not going to accomplish anything here. We're not doing the people's business, and those are just the facts that exist.
Republicans want to question Willis under oath about her relationship with Nathan Wade, the well-paid freelance prosecutor her office hired to handle the election interference case against Donald Trump. But Willis admitted she'd had a personal relationship with Wade, and Wade exited the case.
This committee does have the authority to do the investigation, to subpoena witnesses, and to enforce those subpoenas.
A former Senate clerk told committee members they do, in fact, have the authority to compel Willis's testimony. A legislative attorney cited an 1871 investigation by legislative Democrats into a Reconstruction-era Republican governor named Rufus Bullock.
The Georgia Supreme Court has never addressed legislative investigations. It just has not been an issue that has made its way to the Georgia Supreme Court.
But it could. Willis's challenge to the subpoena could actually spend months in the court system. Meantime, this legislative committee has a firm deadline. It sunsets, it disappears statutorily in January when the next legislative session convenes. We are live at the Capitol tonight. Back to you.
Doug, thank you so much. And if you want to take a closer look at how exactly this committee was formed and how we got to this point in the case, you can head over to 11alive.com and search State Senate.